Hey guys, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to quickly restart your OpenClaw gateway if it crashes. Let's get started. If you're currently inside the OpenClaw setup wizard, you can exit it by pressing Ctrl+C. That will bring you back to your terminal. Once you're in your terminal, we just need to run one simple command to restart the gateway and bring it back online. I'll leave the exact command in the pinned comment so you can copy and paste it directly into your terminal. The command is systemcli user restart OpenClaw-gateway. Before running this, make sure that OpenClaw is installed globally on your system. If it's not installed globally, you might see an error like OpenClaw command not found. If that happens, you'll need to install it globally first. I've made a separate video explaining how to do that. Once everything is set up, just paste the command into your terminal and press enter. Within a few moments, the gateway service will restart and your OpenClaw should be back online and working as it was before the crash. And that's it, a quick and simple way to restart the OpenClaw gateway service. If you found this helpful, feel free to check out my other OpenClaw videos and I'll see you in the next one.